My Oruç, what is it? Huh? Wait, is there something wrong? You came back quite early.
No, Despina. No. An urgent job. We need to set sail.
But when, though? And you just got back? Huh? When are you meant to set sail?
Today.
But why so soon? Does that woman named Isabel have no mercy, sending you away as soon as you're home?
Despina. I have to.
But why? You can't say no to her. To that witch Isabel. That's it.
No. It's not that. It's not.
Oruç. Is there something you're not telling me?
No, Despina. No. Nothing. And we're meant to save some money, aren't we? For our own ship. To go out trading whenever we wish. To set sail whenever we wish. Huh?
You're right. And one wouldn't be keeping anything from their wife, would they? And the wives don't keep things from their husbands. My Oruç, I've been keeping something from you. The secret in me is burning like flames.
Tell me.
Baba Oruç, wherever you're going, go fast and return fast. Because not only will I be waiting for you, but our baby will be too.
Is it true?
Yes, it is true.
Despina.
My Oruç. My crazy Oruç. Father Oruç, yes, it is true.
What now? So what do we do now? You're sick, you've been shivering for days now. You're also pregnant. What now? I will place a guard in front of the door. You'll use him for grocery shopping and the like.
Don't worry about me. I will just call in Asiye if it's needed. She'll come and help me. Please come back to me. Think about our baby.
I will. Come back. I will. Come back.
My Oruç.